Hi, I'm Jen, and I have to tell you about my experience with Dreena Burton's Fascia FLO program. I have a rare and painful condition, and a year ago when I met with my doctor, she told me that the pain I was describing as excruciating was going to get worse and never better. I felt so discouraged and hopeless, and that is when I started doing Dreena Burton's Fascia FLO program. I really don't have words for the way this program has changed my body and changed my life, and I mean that literally. This program has given me my life back. I can walk for miles if I want to. I can keep up with my family. I can do all the things that I was really losing out on before. My life had gotten so limited because of pain. Most days I have a 75 to 80% reduction in my pain, and honestly, there are days that I have no pain at all. I still can't believe I can say that. This changed my life. It is such an amazing program, and Dreena is such a gifted instructor. I've worked in the plant-based wellness field for over 20 years and have known Dreena as an incredible cookbook author, but this is the work that Dreena was meant to do. It is so beautiful, it's so simple, and it is so effective. If you are somebody that lives with chronic pain and you think that you just have to live with the pain and the stiffness in your body and in your joints, I cannot encourage you enough to try this program. It can give you your life back like it did mine.